Hello viewers, YouTube update its software from time to time, and recently this software has once been updated. So now earlier version of software along with older device cannot support the YouTube, and a message displayed to them, switch to youtube.com. So to fix this problem, I shared two methods. Through first we will update our app, and in the next one we will change the browser into desktop version, and your older mobile will once again start supporting YouTube. On screen please. So presently few people when click YouTube, this message appear, switch to youtube.com. This version of YouTube is out of date and no updates are available for your device. Please visit youtube.com on your browser instead. So the solution is already mentioned by YouTube. Let's go and fix it. Open Play Store and then click search and click or type YouTube. So in this case, if you click it and update is become visible, so click update. In this case you will simply update it and your app will start working. So if you click open, so you will see update like this one is presently in front of you. Now if your YouTube doesn't work, so once again go for the second method to update it, which is most suitable. So go to settings and in settings click search, and in search we will type apps. So a long list of apps would be applied. So click this and now you are watching a list. It's in alphabetical order. So go till end. Now you will see YouTube. So once again, if you see YouTube, scroll down and click for stop. Click OK. And let's go and change storage. Click on storage. It also belongs to YouTube. Also clear cache to create space in case if there are too many cookies, and also clear data and click delete. Click back and now scroll down and app detail in store. This is the best way to update any app. So click update if available, and in case if you get it update, come down and put your mobile in flight mode. Once again, after a while, off flight mode, and then try to open YouTube once again and see as if it works. So click open. Now after these changes, if your YouTube start works, so it's fine. Otherwise, we will proceed further. It's in front of you and it's normally play. But if it didn't work, then let's go and click Chrome, and we will change the Chrome into a desktop version. Choose any browser you like and type youtube.com, or if the icon available, so click the icon of YouTube, and now this type of interface appear regardless of the version. So now we will change few settings. Click three dots and click desktop site. Tick mark inside this and further messages will now appear. So we will allow that. After allowing that, we will also do another change. Now YouTube is open in browser. This message appears. So click allow. And now another message, click allow. And now once again, we will go to three dots. It's the final step. And in three dots, we will simply add to home service. Click on it. So click install app, and if it didn't even appear, so click it. Now it's installing YouTube in browser. You can also see it from here, and your YouTube will normally play in browser the way you see. It's in browser and my YouTube is normally playing on its support. So this could be a solution for your issue currently available on YouTube. It's in front of you that it's playing normally. Now it's the version of browser YouTube which has been recently created by last two steps, and this will work in all mobile and all version of YouTube, and this is the normal, regular, or latest YouTube, which is also available, so we can play both, and both are equally clear and crystal. Please note that this is the YouTube which was created as a result of the browser. So if you long click on it, these options appear, so you can uninstall or do any other change with this. Hope you have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.